Going to Disney is exciting, but waiting in line for rides can be a big problem. So what if you could skip the lines and enjoy more rides instead? Well, with the Disney Virtual Queue, you can. So here's how to make it happen. First, you're going to download the Disney app and you're going to create an account. This is where everything starts. Second thing is you're going to check for the rides that offer the virtual queue, like Guardians of the Galaxy or Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance. Next, find the time window when the virtual queue opens. You need to be quick, so set an alarm. Once the window opens, try to join the queue as fast as you can. You're going to be able to see how many spots are left, and you're going to get a boarding group if you're quick. So don't forget to show up at your assigned time, or you might miss out. Okay? So now that you know how to enjoy more time on the fun rides, if you want more helpful tips like this to making your Disney trip awesome, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.